What's up, Queen TV? Today I'll be showing you how I got this glueless frontal installation by Luvmehair. The wig came in this box right here. They also had a few things inside the box that was beneficial to me. They had this comb, they had clamps, they had bobby pins. They also gave me a stick to lay down my flyaways. That's actually really good. I'm gonna buy it again. They gave me tweezers and an elastic band, so that was actually very good. I can use that throughout the process of me doing my hair, so that was perfect. They gave me a wig cap. They also gave you a pamphlet of how to take care of your hair, the policy, so on and so forth. I got a 10-inch bob from Luvmehair. It was the side part frontal bob. I'm gonna put it in the link below, but it was courtesy of Luvmehair. They sent me this hair. I also have a code with them, Shaquia20, SHAQUEA20. You can get some money off, so definitely look that up. It also came with an elastic band. That was perfect. I didn't have to put the elastic band on it, so that was great. They also have Swiss lace, and Swiss lace is perfect because it's thin. It just seeps through your skin perfectly, so that's definitely a plus. Right here, I'm just taking out the clips because I really hate the clips. They like poke me in the head. I apologize in advance for my voice and me sniffling in the video. I'm sick right now, but right here, I'm just pretty much trying on a wig, seeing where I need to place my wig, where I need to pluck, and just keep checking as I go. That's my biggest advice. Check as you go. Right here, I'm just cutting out the ears on my cap so I can lay down my wig flat. If I don't cut out the ears, then when it's time to cut the cap off, my cap is gonna lift. Right here, I'm just using the clear Gossipy glue. I don't like to use the white one because I feel like the white is kind of very thick and the white shows, so I rather the clear. But right here, I'm just pretty much putting it all around in the front and down on my ears so it can lay flat on the ears as well. I like to add the freeze spray just to add a extra secure hold. I don't know, it's just, I'm just being extra. You really don't need it, but it's just to give it that extra hold. When the cap is no longer sticky, then you know it's done and you can start cutting. I like to cut from the middle down just so that I can get it to be as flat as I can. I like to add makeup on my cap just to give it a more natural look so it can look like my scalp. As you can tell from the front and the back, it looks completely different. But yeah, so I like to put it all in the front so that even if I like to do a deep part or a side part, middle part, up half up, half down, it'll be able to show everything. It won't look like white. After I put my makeup on, I went ahead and bleached my frontal just so that it can look even more natural. I prefer bleaching it just so that it can look like your scalp, really. You're going to tell. I'm going to separate it so you can see the difference between before and after. But right now, I'm just pulling it up just to see my wig, where my wig should be, and seeing where if I should cut anymore. So here, I'm just cutting the extra pieces that I need to cut, but pretty much I like to check as I go. Right here, I'm just cutting off the lace. If you want a more detailed video on me cutting the lace, comment and let me know, and I will definitely post a video on that. right now I'm just trying to line up where I want my wig to be, because once I put the Got To Be freeze spray, it's gonna stick like completely. So right now I'm just tying up my hair so that the hair don't get in the way while I'm spraying the Got To Be spray. Since this is a glueless install, you only have to spray the Got To Be on the sides, just so that the sides will stay down, because no matter what, the sides are always going to lift. So you need something to put that down. So you will put it on both sides, let it air dry just a little bit until it gets like sticky, and then you put it down and blow dry it again. The rest is pretty much self-explanatory. I'll just be styling my wig. If you would like a more detailed video on how I style my wig or do my baby hairs, comment and let me know. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely smash that bell so you can be notified for my next video. Love you. Bye.